What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I have a new monthly dividend ETF to buy now. This is a covered call ETF, a high yield dividend ETF. I'm actually going to compare it to QYLD and RYLD and XYLD with the dividend trends and the potential of this covered call ETF. We are at 7,500 subscribers strong, so make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you smash that like button, and I'm going to pump out videos like crazy. So I'm going to try to do it daily, so make sure you hit the notification bell. I'm going to at least try 5 or more a week. So that's a guarantee. So I'm going to be pumping out videos. I have to work this weekend, so I'm going to be making a video tonight to go over USOI and do a review on these guys. And I'm going to try to get one on Sunday. So make sure you, again, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Because I'm telling you guys, I know you guys have said, post a video about this stock, this stock, this stock. I did. You got to hit the notification bell because sometimes you may miss it. So let's check this covered call ETF out right now. And I want to introduce you to the new covered call ETF by Global X. The symbol is DJIA. This is a new kid on the block. It's called the Dow 30 covered call ETF. So it's a high income ETF. It's a monthly dividend ETF. And they write call options on the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which saves investors time and potential expense of doing so individually. So there's a few things. This was just new. The inception is 2/23/22. It has a 0.60% expense ratio. Right now, the current price is $24.58. So the Global X Dow 30 covered call ETF follows a covered call buy right strategy in which the fund buys stocks in the Dow Jones Industrial Average, also known as the Dow 30, and writes and sells corresponding call options in the same index. So that's huge because I was in DJW, which was a ETF with what was it, Invesco, and it was slow. The dividend wasn't very strong. I'm looking for dividend income, and they really haven't been distributing monthly dividends yet. But this is one that I'm going to be buying. I'm going to be begging M1 Finance to go on there, and I'm going to go over a few things with these guys as well. Right here, I clicked what is in them, okay? And this is what I really like about these stocks. So United Health Group, that's a dividend growth stock. Goldman Sachs, Home Depot has been killing it. Microsoft, McDonald's, Amgen, Visa, Salesforce is doing really well. Caterpillar, now Boeing, they're slowly making a comeback. Honeywell, we got American Express, we got Johnson & Johnson, we got Travelers, Chevron, Procter & Gamble, 3M, Disney, who's starting to blow up again, Walmart, JP Morgan, Nike, IBM, Merck, Coca-Cola, Dow Inc., Cisco, Verizon, Intel, Walgreens, and they have a little bit of cash. So that's the thing, is they have these holdings. I mean, this is one that is very aggressive. I see the dividend trends we don't know yet, but studying the covered call ETFs, QYLD, RYLD, and XYLD, it's going to be interesting. And this is one thing I can add to my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. I'm very excited for this one. And again, I'm going to be emailing M1 Finance like crazy to get this stock on there for this ETF. I think this is a really good one. I'm wondering if the distribution date will be the same as QYLD, RYLD, and XYLD. Because what I can do with my M1 Finance, which I'll show you. But here's the thing. I have RYLD. This is why I like these covered call ETFs. And again, I have a goal to make $1,000 to $3,000 a month on my monthly dividends, $2,000 to $4,000 a month on my quarterly dividends. And QYLD, RYLD, and XYLD, distribute dividends on the same day, usually on M1 Finance. And I'm wondering if they distribute the dividends on the same day as these guys, which is going to make things exciting because, which I'll show you, I earn QYLD, RYLD, and XYLD on the same day. So if I can get to $100 on these three and then add that one to my M1 Finance to make that $400 a month just on my covered call ETFs. And I have NUSI and DIVO and those guys, but this is a game changer because I can start buying shares like crazy with these guys and start buying my quarterly dividend stocks. So looking at the trends of QYLD and RYLD and XYLD, I'll show you their dividend trends real quick. QYLD at its worst, maybe you'll get 15, 16 cents. I haven't seen 14 in a long time. To the best I saw the one time was 49 cents. I highly doubt it. So think of like maybe 17 cents to 20 cents. It's not always going to be 22 and 23. Let's just say 17 cents to 21 cents. You get that from your monthly dividends. And, you know, it's not really a dividend growth stock. So that's one thing to look into with QYLD. Now we'll go to RYLD. And RYLD at its worst was 13 cents, 16. So let's just say 16 cents to maybe 20 or so cents. I know you got 30 cents here. It's not going to always be something like that with 30 cents. I don't think it's really a dividend growth stock. And again, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes, only disclaimer in the description. But again, you know, this follows the Russell, and the Russell is 2000. And, you know, it's not going to jump up to 30 cents consistently. So I'm just going to give you a heads up. And then XYLD I'll go over last. Now, price-wise, XYLD is a little bit more expensive. It's sitting at $47.71 right now. The dividend growth, I mean, it's going to say 9.31, but you'll get maybe 20 cents to 40 cents, 36. I mean, this one's a little bit of a scatter bomb compared to the other ones, but you're getting in the 30s. It's not as dominant as QYLD or RYLD, but it's really a good one because, you know, you're getting 30 or 40 cents usually. I don't think it's going to always be 40 cents in the 40 cents range. I could be wrong. Again, I'm not giving financial advice for entertainment purposes only. In disclaimer in the description, I'm going to repeat myself a few times, but I have to be honest. And that's the thing. So adding all four of those covered call ETFs can seriously do some damage to my M1 Finance dividend portfolio and really start turbocharging those dividends. So that's going to be my strategy. So let me know what you think of this video. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell if you don't, so that you don't miss future videos. This is Darth Dividend. You guys have a good one.